introduce the kid to Saix, he says. Make sure he doesn't get hurt. What about me? Wow, what a shiny floor. Wow, what a big door. I think he wants us to come in. Oh, hey, buddy. Wow, what a nice room. Then this, had to, Hi, I'm Demic, number 9. Ain't it cute? Zemnis gave me a number. Wow, what a great view. Oh god. It's gonna be like that time with the Lucky Charms. Who's a good puppy? What? Who's a good boy? What the fuck are you doing? You are. Yes, you are a good boy. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Yes, you are. Come here, good boy. Idiot's getting both of us killed. Oh my god, Demix, watch out, he's gonna... That's right, you're a good boy. Let's get you a cookie, huh? Poof. What the hell just happened? Nom 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 nom. And...